gold is on the way back up. This is unsurprising. The last update we said if price would come back down here, it will go higher. And I think we're gonna keep on pushing to the upside. There are a few reasons for this. I explained this before, but given the geopolitical situation in the world, I think the price of gold will continue to be bullish. But also look at this. I showed you this before. This is inflation adjusted gold prices. Okay, so when you adjust prices for inflation, and if you look at this big pattern we're looking at here, we still have a push which can take us up towards 10.73. So what's that in percent? Well, that will be another 16% as well. If you look at it from a really big picture perspective, and you might think we are at an all-time high, but we're not. Inflation adjusted, we're still below the highs from 1980. So with that in mind, we could potentially have another 22% another 22% for the price to go to the upside. How about the short term then? Well, we can use something like a 12-hour chart in the short term, and you can see here we're really sort of edging on reaching a new all-time high. And here we could probably treat this like some sort of a triangle in the very short term, which would be something like this. And we obviously triggered that already. We triggered that on the break here. This is also something we discussed in our weekly market update. Now, from a triangle perspective, if we apply it like this, then it suggests we can go up towards 3,025. Just be a bit careful though. When we reach 3,000, that's a big psychological level. I hope that it's not going to be like Bitcoin when we reached 100K. When we reach 100K, as you know, the market stalled. So when we reach 3,000, there's probably going to be a lot of writing about this in the general press. And if you see that, we need to be a bit careful. For now, the shorter trend will continue to be bullish above this low here, which is the 2,905 level. And dips are probably going to be bought, and that breakout here is also probably going to be bought. What's your take on gold? Are we heading up, or is this a fake move?